Hi there, Lenny LaRocca again with the LaRocca Real Estate Group here in sunny Southern California. I'm going to be speaking to my great friend Tony Cangas here, who is a lending expert. We're going to talk about where the trends are going in regards to interest rates, what's happening with the Brexit vote, and just current trends of where the market is going. So Tony, real quick, tell the listeners a little bit about yourself and your background.
Yeah, I've been a mortgage broker for just 21 years now here in the South Bay. The company is American California Financial Services, and it's actually the oldest mortgage broker here in the South Bay area. We're probably a mid-sized firm of about 15 loan officers right now and a staff of 6. So I've been around a long time. Been doing it for a while and still love it.
Just as a quick reminder, there's 2 links on my website here. If you're looking to buy a home, click this link here. And if you're looking to sell a home, click this other link here. Now back to our topic. So Tony, thanks for coming in today. I guess, a big thing that's on a lot of people's minds today is, where are the interest rates going? We've had a lot of information coming out of Europe with the Brexit vote. Can you talk a little bit about where the rates are going and how you see the impact of Brexit on domestic interest rates?
Yeah, absolutely. Brexit definitely big in the news. In its simplest terms, the UK pulled out of the European Union. What that means for them and for us, obviously their economy is suffering greatly. And as a consequence, when we have this kind of malaise going on globally, which is not only in Europe, but in Asia and other parts of the world, that creates this flight to quality. So people take their money, countries take their money and put it where it's safest. And right now, the U.S. mortgage-backed securities, U.S. treasuries are that safest investment. So that money pours into those securities, raising the price, lowering the yield, and the yield is directly what rates are tied to. So that's why we've seen this dip in rates since Brexit took place. And it's continuing now. Honestly, I see it continuing probably through the end of the year. And in this low rate environment, I don't think we're going to see a lot of change. There's been a lot of talk about the 10-year note yield dropping down to 1%. It's currently at 1.58, I think it is. So that's a huge drop. We just saw a huge drop from above 2 down to this 1.5 mark. It actually got down as 1.3, and that 10-year note is a good barometer for long-term interest rates as well. So I think we're gonna stay in this low rate environment and see some dips down even lower.
And with those dips, do you see a robust refinance market as well as a new money purchase market here?
Absolutely, we're seeing it already. Our pipeline from June to July probably tripled, mainly because of that rate dip, all the refinances that we've been seeing, and the purchase market is still very strong as well. But certainly, there's a lot of opportunity for refinancing right now.
Well, it kind of plays in here. One of the things that I notice and I report to my clients is that I'm starting to see a growing inventory here in our immediate market relative to homes available for sale. Whereas for the most part, the last 12, 16 months before this time, we've had, as you know, an absence of sellable inventory. So where do you think that's going? Do you think that indicates we're starting to enter into a slowing market, or where do you see that going, if anything?
That's a good question. I honestly, I'm not quite sure where we're headed. I know we're seeing a lot less of the cash offers that we saw, so maybe the foreign money is starting to dry up a little bit. Certainly it's a time of year where things are a little bit slower going into August, with people vacationing and things like that, so it may be that inventory may be slightly inflated because of that. But I think it's still going to be a fairly strong purchase market. Values is continuing to increase.
So again, thanks for watching the video today. We hope that you found it informative. If you're looking again to buy or sell real estate, give me a call here on my cell phone. And then remember, please, for any of your lending needs, go ahead and give Tony a call. His contact information will be displayed below. Look forward to speaking to you next time soon.